Make sure the power switch is turned off for the safety reason. Pull the thread guide bar up as far as it will go. Turn the thread guide bar until the stoppers snap into places. Raise the presser foot lifter. The tension discs will be opened when the presser foot lifter is raised. Firmly insert the spool holder into the spool. Place the spool on the spool pin. Thread the machine from looper thread, left needle thread, center needle thread, right needle thread, and top cover stitch thread. Draw the thread through the thread guide bar from back to front. Slide the thread into the thread guide plate on the machine. Pull the thread along the slit. Do the same